Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we're going to be talking about teaching tools and just tools in personal general teaching reasons. This is a quality of life browsing tool that you need for either teaching in the classroom or personal teaching reasons. And this program is Brave. Brave is a privacy-focused web browser known for blocking ads and trackers by default, which of course if you are a teacher you might need a lot of the time. This can lead to faster browsing speeds, reduced data usage, and includes features like built-in pop-up windows for enhanced privacy. And in case you want other things from previous web browsing apps, Brave has an import functionality to easily import bookmarks and settings from other browsers. If you care about security, Brave has HTTPS everywhere, which automatically upgrades connections to HTTPS, enhancing security and making sure that you are safe while browsing the internet. If you need to enable a VPN or have a firewall while accessing certain websites, Brave offers a built-in VPN and firewall for enhanced security and privacy across all devices. If you like AI, Brave has cool features such as Brave Leo, an AI system that can summarize pages, find information within a document, and more. And other features such as customizable news feeds. And don't worry, if you are on Mac, this program is also cross-platform. This is the first video explaining what exactly Brave is. The second video I am going to be explaining how to download Brave and showing the features outright.